Top 20 Plumber Interview Questions and Answers. Plumbing is a skilled trade that requires technical expertise, problem-solving ability, and a strong commitment to safety and customer service. Employers look for plumbers who can handle installations, repairs, and maintenance efficiently while ensuring compliance with codes. Preparing for a plumber interview involves demonstrating both technical skills and professionalism. In this guide, we've compiled the top 20 plumber interview questions with detailed answers to help you succeed and stand out. 1. Can you tell us about your plumbing experience? I have 10 years of plumbing experience working on residential, commercial, and industrial projects. My expertise includes installing water supply lines, repairing leaks, maintaining drainage systems, and working with fixtures like sinks, toilets, and water heaters. I am also familiar with reading blueprints and following building codes. Over the years, I've gained hands-on experience troubleshooting complex issues efficiently. I take pride in delivering quality service, ensuring safety, and building trust with clients. 2. How do you ensure safety while working as a plumber? Safety is always my first priority. I follow OSHA and local safety regulations strictly. Before starting any job, I assess the site for potential hazards like water damage, gas leaks, or electrical risks. I always use personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, and protective footwear. I also practice lockout, tagout procedures when necessary and ensure proper ventilation when working with chemicals or soldering. By maintaining safety protocols, I protect myself, my team, and the customer's property. 3. How do you diagnose plumbing problems? Diagnosing plumbing issues requires a systematic approach. I begin by asking clients detailed questions to understand the symptoms. Then, I perform a visual inspection and use tools like pipe cameras, pressure gauges, and leak detectors to identify the root cause. I focus on finding long-term solutions rather than temporary fixes. Once the issue is diagnosed, I clearly explain the problem to the customer, propose solutions, and provide an accurate cost estimate before beginning repairs. 4. How do you handle emergency plumbing situations? In emergencies, I act quickly while prioritizing safety. I start by identifying the source of the problem and shutting off the water or gas supply to prevent further damage. Once the situation is under control, I assess the issue and begin repairs. I maintain calm communication with the client, keeping them informed throughout. My experience in handling burst pipes, gas leaks, and severe blockages has prepared me to respond effectively while minimizing risks. 5. Can you read and interpret blueprints? Yes, I am skilled in reading and interpreting blueprints and technical diagrams. This ability allows me to plan pipe layouts, locate fixtures, and understand drainage and venting systems accurately. I can identify specifications like pipe sizes, angles, and material requirements. Being able to interpret blueprints ensures that installations meet design requirements and building codes. It also allows me to work efficiently with engineers, contractors, and other tradespeople on complex projects. 6. What tools do you commonly use as a plumber? I work with a wide range of plumbing tools, including pipe wrenches, plungers, augers, and tubing cutters. For advanced tasks, I use inspection cameras, hydrojetting equipment, soldering torches, and pressure gauges. I also rely on measuring tools like levels and tape measures to ensure precision. Using the right tool for the job improves efficiency and quality. I always maintain my tools properly, since well-kept equipment is essential for accuracy and safety. 7. How do you handle difficult customers? I believe communication and professionalism are key when dealing with difficult clients. I listen carefully to their concerns without interruption, acknowledge their frustration, and explain the situation clearly. I remain calm and respectful even under pressure, focusing on problem solving rather than conflict. Providing transparent cost estimates and realistic timelines helps build trust. My goal is to ensure customer satisfaction, and I always follow up to confirm that the issue has been resolved to their standards. 8. How do you prevent future plumbing issues for clients? Prevention is as important as repair. I educate clients on best practices such as avoiding flushing non-degradable items, scheduling regular inspections, and maintaining water heaters. During service, I check for early warning signs like corrosion, minor leaks, or unusual noises. I also recommend upgrades to energy-efficient fixtures or modern piping if needed. By taking a proactive approach, I help clients avoid costly repairs and extend the lifespan of their plumbing systems. 9. What types of plumbing systems have you worked on? I have worked on a wide range of systems, including residential water supply, drainage, and sewage systems. In commercial settings, I've handled larger systems involving boilers, pumps, and industrial-grade fixtures. I'm also experienced in installing and maintaining gas lines and fire suppression systems. Each system requires different skills and codes, but my adaptability allows me to work efficiently in diverse environments. This variety of experience makes me confident in tackling any plumbing challenge. 10. How do you handle tight deadlines or multiple projects? Time management is key when working on multiple tasks. I prioritize urgent or safety-related issues first, then organize remaining projects by complexity and deadlines. Communication with supervisors and team members ensures coordination and efficiency. I remain flexible, adapting my schedule when unexpected issues arise. I always balance speed with accuracy, ensuring quality work even under pressure. My ability to stay organized allows me to meet deadlines without compromising safety or customer satisfaction. 11. How do you handle clogged drains? For clogged drains, I start with simple tools like plungers or drain snakes. If the blockage is more severe, I use augers or hydro-jetting equipment to clear the pipes. In cases of recurring clogs, I conduct a camera inspection to identify underlying issues such as root intrusion or collapsed pipes. My goal is not only to clear the clog but also to address the root cause. This ensures long-lasting results and customer satisfaction. 12. How do you handle gas line installations or repairs? Gas lines require extra caution due to safety risks. Before starting, I always shut off the main gas supply and test for leaks with specialized equipment. I use proper materials and fittings approved for gas work. After installation or repair, I perform pressure tests to ensure there are no leaks. I also follow all local codes and safety standards. My training and experience make me confident in safely handling gas line work. 13. What is your experience with water heater installation and maintenance? I have installed and serviced both traditional tank water heaters and modern tankless systems. My work includes connecting supply lines, ensuring proper venting, and setting thermostats for efficiency. For maintenance, I flush tanks to remove sediment, check heating elements, and inspect for leaks. With tankless heaters, I ensure filters are cleaned and descaling is performed regularly. I also educate clients on proper maintenance to extend system lifespan and maintain energy efficiency. 14. How do you ensure your work complies with plumbing codes? I stay updated on local plumbing codes and building regulations through training sessions, manuals, and workshops. Before beginning any job, I review requirements to ensure compliance. During installations, I follow approved standards for pipe sizes, materials, and venting systems. I also conduct thorough inspections and tests before project completion. Compliance not only avoids penalties but also ensures safety and quality. My focus on following codes reflects my professionalism and commitment to high standards. 15. How do you stay updated with plumbing technology? I stay current by attending workshops, trade shows, and certification courses. I also read industry publications and follow updates on new tools, fixtures, and eco-friendly solutions like water-saving systems. Whenever possible, I train hands-on with new equipment to understand its applications fully. Staying updated ensures I can offer clients modern, efficient solutions that save money and resources. I see learning as an ongoing responsibility that enhances both my skills and customer satisfaction. 16. How do you handle physically demanding tasks? Plumbing often involves heavy lifting, confined spaces, and awkward positions. I maintain physical fitness through regular exercise, which helps me handle demanding work effectively. I also use proper lifting techniques and ergonomic tools to prevent strain. Taking short breaks to stretch during long jobs helps reduce fatigue. My ability to adapt physically allows me to work efficiently and safely. I understand that stamina and strength are essential for long-term success in plumbing. 17. How do you communicate with clients during a job? Clear communication builds trust. From the start, I explain the issue, the work needed, and the estimated costs. During the job, I provide updates on progress and unexpected findings. I use simple language so clients understand technical details. After completion, I walk them through the repairs or installations and answer questions. Professional communication ensures transparency, avoids misunderstandings, and leaves clients confident in the quality of the work performed. 18. What steps do you take when repairing leaks? When repairing leaks, I first locate the source using tools like moisture detectors or visual inspection. I shut off the water supply to prevent damage, then determine the best repair method, whether replacing seals, soldering joints, or replacing sections of pipe. After repairs, I test the system under pressure to ensure no further leaks exist. Finally, I advise the client on preventive measures. My thorough approach ensures durable, long-lasting leak repairs. 19. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? Accuracy is essential in plumbing to avoid costly mistakes. I carefully measure and mark before cutting pipes, double-check connections, and use levels to maintain proper alignment. I test systems thoroughly before completing any project, ensuring functionality and safety. Documentation and labeling help with future maintenance. My attention to detail ensures high-quality workmanship and client satisfaction. Consistency, patience, and adherence to codes allow me to deliver reliable and accurate plumbing services. 20. Why should we hire you as a plumber? You should hire me because I bring extensive experience, technical expertise, and a customer-focused approach. I am skilled in both residential and commercial plumbing, with strengths in installations, repairs, and maintenance. I follow safety protocols, stay updated with modern techniques, and communicate clearly with clients. Beyond technical skills, I bring professionalism, reliability, and a strong work ethic. I am confident that my skills align with your company's values and project requirements. Plumbers are essential for maintaining safe and efficient water and drainage systems. By preparing for these interview questions, you can highlight your technical skills, problem-solving ability, and customer service strengths. Employers want candidates who are reliable, safety-conscious, and adaptable to modern technologies. Use these answers as a framework to tailor your responses, and you'll present yourself as a skilled professional ready to take on the challenges of a plumbing career.